Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Shopify password. First, log into your Shopify account using your current email address and password. Once you are logged in, you will be on the Shopify admin dashboard. Look at the setting option in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it. You will see your account name or profile icon in the bottom. Click on it. A menu will appear. On this page, you will find the option to change your password. Look for the section that says Security or Password. Click on Change Password. Now, you will need to enter your current password first to confirm it is you. Then type your new password. After filling in the details, click the Change Password button. Shopify will now update your password. That is all you need to do to change your Shopify password. Keep it safe and do not share it with anyone.